Hello, I'm Carol Bender, Principal at St. Isidore School. Welcome to our virtual open house. St. Isidore School is a Catholic elementary school that begins with transitional kindergarten and continues through 8th grade. Our students embark on a rigorous academic program that includes core subjects as well as Spanish, music, art, physical education, and technology. Partnering with parents, together we build a strong foundation that enriches the lives of our students far past their time at St. Isidore School. We take pride in our academic excellence and student achievements. Our faculty and staff are committed to providing the highest quality Catholic education for each student, combining deep-rooted traditions and current best instructional practices. We are dedicated to providing our students with the tools necessary to be successful in the 21st century. We are united in vision and in mission to instill a foundation of faith within our students. I am so pleased you can join us today for our 6th through 8th grade virtual open house. St. Isidore School opened in 1962 as a parish Catholic school. We are dedicated to educating children in the Catholic faith while providing a rigorous academic environment. We are committed to developing lifelong critical creative thinkers who actively serve the Church to enrich the community, communicate effectively, and achieve their highest academic potential. St. Isidore School is a Catholic elementary school that supports the belief that parents are the primary educators of their children. As facilitators of this process, we are committed to supporting and assisting parents in preparing their children as Catholics for life in our complex, technological, and ever-changing world. We believe that this mission must focus and maintain our children's growth toward becoming educated, ethical, caring adults. We place emphasis on academic excellence while providing opportunities for all students to extend their abilities to reason and think in creative ways, to apply what they know to the world around them, and to work together for common goals. We recognize and respect the individuality and dignity of all members of the school community. Collectively, we provide the tools needed for students to develop an awareness and application of Catholic principles, gospel values, and spiritual growth necessary to prepare them for a life of faith-filled service.
Hi, my name is Julie Williamson, and this year I teach junior high writing and literature. Here at St. Isidore School, our teachers work endlessly to create an amazing junior high experience filled with community, faith, and academic excellence. Our 6th grade students are required to take a study skills class where they are taught organization, time management, and study habits to use during their time here at St. Isidore and beyond. Our writing and math classes have only 18 students, so teachers can utilize small group instruction in those key subjects. Our junior high teachers meet weekly to discuss curriculum, but also to discuss how our students are doing academically and socially. We are a family here at St. Isidore's, and we want all our students to feel comfortable and safe when they are at school. St. Isidore's Junior High is a special place to be, where our students truly feel valued and motivated.
Hi, my name is Laura Castillo. I am the Curriculum Director here at St. Isidore School. The middle school years are among the most formative for children and offer an excellent opportunity for students to explore and develop critical reasoning and collaboration skills. Our middle school writing and grammar curriculum continues to develop the skills taught in Lucy Calkins' Unit of Study Writing Workshop. In smaller class sizes, grades 6 through 8 cover all writing skills in narrative, information, and argument units. Grammar instruction covers grade level standards using the No Red Ink online program. In addition to the Writer's Workshop units, students across the grades write for additional purposes including speech contests, the Young Authors Fair, Knights of Columbus Writing Contest, and a variety of other assignments. We also offer small class size in middle school and for our advanced math classes in 7th and 8th grades. We desire that our students come to master the practice of problem solving, persevering, abstract and quantitative reasoning, and modeling while adhering to precise standards, noticing patterns, and using appropriate tools and maintaining consistency in their approach. We know that math can be challenging, but it is our hope that our students will come to enjoy the challenge and recognize the intellectual and personal growth that accompany the learning process. Though our top priority is to ensure that our students have a strong understanding of the topics mentioned below, we also strive to foster an interest in mathematics that will carry them through not only this year, but the many years of mathematical learning to come. Our history teachers use an inquiry approach by asking questions, investigating concepts, and drawing conclusions. There is an interactive component where students act out various historic scenarios. Students will also visit our makerspace for hands-on activities that coordinate with history. Middle school science also focuses on an inquiry approach. We integrate the next generation science standards along with the California Science Framework. Middle school science is project-based, hands-on, and fully collaborative. Students work independently and in group dynamics in order to better practice their communication and collaboration skills. Our 7th and 8th grade students participate in the annual science fair. Middle school literature engages the whole reader. We also use the Units of Study by Lucy Calkins for reading workshop. This workshop model explicitly teaches reading strategies to help readers become better readers and read with deeper comprehension. Spelling and vocabulary practices are intertwined in class novels and literary essays. In literature class, students gain vast knowledge about the reading strategies to enhance their love of reading. Through a challenging and rigorous curriculum led by passionate and dedicated staff, students are inspired to achieve their personal best here at St. Isidore School.
Hi, my name is Vicki Carter, and I have been teaching at St. Isidore School for over 20 years. I am currently one of the homeroom 8th grade teachers, and I teach history to all of junior high. In our junior high curriculum, we also offer enrichment classes, allowing our students the opportunity to delve into their own personal creativity. Some of the courses that we offer are robotics, coding, art, music, graphic design, and yearbook. And that's just a few of them. Each trimester, they have that opportunity to pick different classes and explore different avenues. In the 7th and 8th grade and junior high, they also have the opportunity to run for student council, allowing them to try out leadership. Many of our students, when they go on to high school, also stay with the leaderships within the high school communities. Here at St. Isidore's, we pride ourselves on growing our students into faithful and responsible young men and women who care about service, leadership, and their community.
My name is Tracy Schmidt, and I'm the Director of Religious Affairs. Part of my role is to partner with students, teachers, parents, and the parish to enrich the spiritual life of the school community.
Teaching, learning, and sharing the Catholic faith is an integral part of each school day. Students receive formal religious instruction founded in the teachings of the Catholic Church. All students actively participate in a variety of activities, retreats, and opportunities to explore, enrich, and engage the relationship with God, self, and others. All students participate in the faith life of the school. Students experience a wide range of liturgical experiences throughout the school year, including daily class and school prayer, weekly grade level mass, and monthly all-school mass, reconciliation prayer services, Stations of the Cross, May crowning, and more. Students learn from an early age how to minister and participate in these liturgies. Our second graders prepare and receive the sacraments of reconciliation and First Holy Communion, and 5th through 8th graders have the opportunity to altar serve. As a means to build confidence, care for one another, and build friendships across the grades, St. Isidore students gather in school families, which consist of one student from grades 1st through 8th to complete activities and gather for worship. Living and practicing our faith on a daily basis is something that truly makes St. Isidore School a special place.
When we enrolled at St. Isidore, we knew about the education of the whole child and it being a Catholic school first, and that's really what we were buying into. What we didn't fully anticipate was just how amazing this community would be for our entire family. And for Allison and myself and the friends we've made here have been awesome. I mean, we love all the social gatherings. The auction is my favorite night of the year. We love the fish fry, love the golf tournament. But beyond that, it's just the way that the people in this community show up for each other day in and day out, and through the highs and lows of everyday life. It's been truly remarkable and life-changing for our family. I'd encourage anyone who's new to the school. Obviously, we have a more difficult time showing up for each other in the same ways that we would have pre-COVID, but I encourage you to get involved in any way you can. This is the type of place where you will get out even more than what you put into it. But I'd encourage you to get involved and be open to meeting new friends, and I hope that your life will be changed for the better, the way ours has.
When we started St. Isidore's with my oldest, who is now a senior in high school, I jumped right in and got involved in the activities, and it was the best thing I ever did. Just getting to meet all the families, the parents of the kids that my kids have moved through school with. It feels like family. Being here on campus is my favorite place to be. I get to be with our kids, and I get to be with the teachers and see the kids in action. It's amazing. The teachers care about our kids like they're their kids. Even going online at the end of last year into this year, listening to their Zoom calls, it brings tears to my eyes. The teachers are so engaging. They're keeping the kids together. They're talking. The community is still alive, even apart. And I can't wait to get back on campus.
Hi, I'm Lauren Rivera. I'm a senior at Carondelet High School, and I graduated from St. Isidore in 2017. St. Isidore provided me a great foundation for high school with its challenging academic program with speech competitions, science fairs, and history projects. St. Isidore also prepared me well for life thanks to its strong Catholic identity, its loving environment, and its commitment to service. I'm forever thankful for my time spent at St. Isidore and the solid foundation it gave me for the rest of my life.
Hi, I'm Charlie Kratis, and I graduated from St. Isidore's in 2019, and I'm a sophomore at De La Salle High School. St. Isidore's not only prepared me academically for the future, but taught me to be grounded in faith. I had such an incredible experience at St. Isidore's because they have a loving community and teachers that really want you to succeed. St. Isidore's is a very special place to me, and it was really hard for me to say goodbye. My classmates and I were able to form relationships that will last a lifetime because after 9 years, everyone truly feels like family.
Thank you so much for joining us on our virtual open house. If you have questions about applications or admissions process, please visit www.stisidore.org. You can also feel free to reach the admissions department with any other further questions. I hope to see you on campus real soon.